authentic Southern-style jambalaya recipe, homemade shrimp and rice delight. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Multi-Recipes and COOKERIES channel, the place where we bring you delicious recipes from the comfort of your own kitchen. Today, we have a special treat for you, a homemade Southern-style jambalaya with succulent shrimp and flavorful rice. Let's dive into the ingredients. 1 pound, 450 grams, large shrimp, peeled and deveined. 1 pound, 450 grams, andouille sausage, sliced. 1 onion, finely chopped. 1 bell pepper, diced. 3 celery stalks, chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 can, 14 ounces, 400 grams, diced tomatoes. 2 cups, 400 grams, long grain white rice. 4 cups, 960 milliliters, chicken broth. 1 teaspoon thyme. 1 teaspoon oregano. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, adjust to taste. Salt and pepper to taste. Green onions and fresh parsley for garnish. Let's get started with our Southern-style jambalaya. The first step is to heat a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high heat. 1 sauté sausage and shrimp. Add the sliced andouille sausage to the pot and cook until it starts to brown and release its flavorful oils. Once the sausage is browned, add the shrimp and cook until they turn pink. Remove both from the pot and set them aside for later. 2 sauté vegetables. In the same pot, add a bit of oil if needed, and sauté the chopped onion, bell pepper, celery, and garlic until they are softened and aromatic. 3 Add rice and spices. Now, stir in the rice and cook for a couple of minutes until it's lightly toasted. Add the thyme, oregano, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper. Mix well to coat the rice with those incredible flavors. Pour in the diced tomatoes and chicken broth. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 15–20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and has absorbed all those delicious flavors. Now, gently fold in the cooked sausage and shrimp. Let it all come together for a few more minutes until everything is heated through. Once done, garnish with chopped green onions and fresh parsley for a burst of color and freshness. There you have it, a mouth-watering Southern-style jambalaya that's hearty, flavorful, and sure to transport you straight to the South. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe our Multi-Recipes and COOKERIES channel for more delicious content, and let us know in the comments what recipe you'd like to see next. Until then, happy cooking! Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thank you very much Southern-style jambalaya rice lovers.